Hey guys, I'm Dupree, and today we will be walking through how to break and run a 9-ball rack. So let's get started. Okay, so we are going to play some ghost ball 9-ball racks, which means after the break, no matter what happens, you get ball in hand, and then you try to run out the rack, and usually you can play the ghost, and whenever you miss, the ghost gets a point, and whenever you run out, you get a point. So we're just going to start here with a little cut break. We got a few balls down. Looks like 2 balls down. No problems. Maybe the 8 if I get out of line, 7 to 8. Mainly I'm just looking for problems right now. But I don't really see any. So right here, I would probably just give myself a little bit of an angle on this. Come back, down and around for the 3. And then for the 3, I just want to draw back. So a little bit of low, just to get back here for the 4. Now, it's really just preference where you want to play the 5. I'm liking the corner right now. I'm going to stretch, shoot that 4, get shape on the 5 into the corner. I fell up a little bit short, so we're going to have to come with a shot here. I can play with high left. Sink that. Then we have the 7 ball. We have a perfect angle here. And I just want to run up. Just run up the table just like that. I have kind of a perfect angle on this 8 ball just to do a little draw shot for a straight in shot on the 9 ball. So you see how we walked through that rack. We always looked a couple balls ahead just to see where we wanted to be. So now we are going to move on to the next rack. Okay, so now we are breaking off in rack number 2. See if we can get similar to results to rack number 1. Break is one of my strong suits, actually. Looks like we got a couple balls, but we have a problem area. Problem area is right there. Obviously with the 6, 9, 4 all tied up. And ghost ball, you don't really play safeties. So we're going to have to find a way to break these up. I would break them up right now if the 2 went into the corner, but it does not. So what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to develop it as we go. So here we go. 3 ball does slide into the corner. Should have looked at it before. But we're going to try to develop this right here. So to do that, we're going to have to get onto the 3 into the side. We did well. We're going to get over to this side. And right here, since ghost ball is pretty much all offensive, we're going to look to bank this 4. I may also get the 6 from the same shot. There's that 4 ball. And we're good on the 5. Just to roll it down. Now I got a little angle on the 6 so we can come backwards for the 7. There's a 6. 9 goes in any pocket we want. We're gonna play the corner. And there's the 9 ball. So that's a good rack number 2. Nice little bank shot on that 4. Tried to develop it off the 3, but we came up short. But it's still a nice little out. Okay, so we are good to break off in rack number 3. Currently with a 2-0 lead. In the video on a 3-0 lead. Two ball looks like it's gonna go down. No real problems, and I think I'm just gonna break and run this rack. I'm not gonna take the ghost ball in hand. We're just gonna real deal run it out. I'm gonna try to go around the back of the 5 here. Just like so. We clipped it a bit. And that's how we ended up weird on the 3, but we should be good. Always have a plan B. Slow roll that, barely missed the 5. This one we're gonna have to power a bit. Hopefully it doesn't jump out on us. We just like tapping all of them, don't we? So here I'm just going to play a stop shot. Stun shot, I mean. Then here, we're rolling up. Bump it again. Very bumpy run out. Come up for the 8 to the corner. Now we have a cut shot on the 9 into the corner. Gonna look at this one. Gotta play it so we don't scratch. There it is. That scared me for a bit. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button down below. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. Thank you guys so much for 40,000 subscribers. 40,000. I think that makes us the #2 most subscribed pool YouTuber. Pool like tutorial YouTuber. We just need a couple thousand more to pass up Dr. Dave. So let's get that couple thousand more. I like being calling myself the most subscribed to YouTube instructor. That has a good tone to it for me. So share this video with your friends. Tell your friends to like and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. It really help. We have daily or every other day videos. We also have live streams. You also have live raffles. No other channel does this stuff. My channel is the only one that will do these daily or every other day videos and do live streams and raffles and giveaways and all of this good stuff. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single thing. If you have any questions, just drop them down in the comment section below. If you have any requests, drop them down in the comment section below. Also check out a few of my sponsors down in the description below. Click that little drop down arrow. You'll get a bunch of different links and also a link to my Amazon shop where I have good deals on billiard supplies that I think you guys may like. So click that link to go to my Amazon shop. Those are just all the things that I love that I use. So I put everything that I use on my Amazon shop so you guys can find them too. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.